What is up, gang? What is up to my squad? Yo, I'm back with another challenge slash vlog. Yo, I'm gonna be vlogging and about to do a cold drink versus cold drop challenge. I wanna get the reaction. Y'all didn't tell me to do this, I just thought of y'all. So y'all need to start giving me some challenge and I'll do for y'all. Y'all, I'm at my aunt's house in Gonzales. This is fun, y'all. I got the biggest bed to myself ever. I could jump, play through all that, y'all. But my videos can't be with 5 minutes. Y'all might for part 1 and part 2. The part 1, you're just gonna see me like explaining how it's gonna go and all that stuff. Part 2 is gonna be the actual thing, y'all. So part 1, okay. In order to get like me to answer you on your comments and to DM me on my social media and stuff, and in order for me to like answer your comments and stuff, you have to like all my videos. I want to scroll and see your name and subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and I will answer all your questions. Okay, y'all, but without further ado, let's get right to it, y'all. I'm going to get the cough drop. Y'all coming? I'm going to get the cough drop. Wait, where did it go, y'all? Where did it go? The cough drop, y'all. It's not it. Y'all gotta get another one. Tell y'all. Pound it. I guess I got to. Yeah, but y'all, this video about to be I told y'all part 2. But anyways, I'm quiet because I'm babysitting at a daycare and I'm in a room because it's nap time for them right now. It's nap time. They're having their nap time. They all sleep. They're waking up at 3 to go outside and play. So it's right now down here. It's 2:08 p.m. So what I'm about to do, my phone is on right, y'all. But I'm about to charge it. While I'm doing the challenge, I'm going to be charging y'all. So pay attention. Let's go. I'll see you guys on part 2 of the challenge.